if the Chromecast of your smart TV is not working, and as such you find it difficult to cast your mobile phone or any device to your smart TV, in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that will fix any screen mirroring or screencast issue on your smart TV. So over here I have my Android smart TV, and the first thing you want to do basically is to go over to the settings of your smart TV, just like so, and then you want to scroll down until you get to device preferences, and then you want to scroll down again until you get to Google Cast over here. Click on it, and on the top over here you want to go ahead and click on let others control your cast media. Click on it and then go ahead and click on always, and once this is set to always, you want to go back to the settings of your smart TV, and then you want to scroll down to apps, just like so, and then go ahead and click on all apps. And at this point what you just want to do is to scroll down until you get to the bottom where you have show system apps over here. Click on it, and at this point you just want to scroll down until you find the Chromecast option, and you can literally see it over here, Google Cast. So just go ahead and click on Google Cast, and at this point you want to go ahead and click on clear data, just like so. So just go ahead and clear the data of the Google Cast app, and then at this point what you also want to do is to go ahead and look for web view, which is basically this app over here. So go ahead and click on Android system web view, and then you want to go ahead and click on clear data as well. Click on OK, and at this point what you just want to do is to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store on your smart TV. So just go ahead and open up the Google Play Store over here, and at your profile at the top over here you just want to scroll to where you have your profile icon. Now what you just want to do is to come over to updates over here. So just scroll down, just like so, and then come over to updates, and then go ahead and open up the updates. And at this point what you just want to do is to go ahead and update all of the apps that needs updates in the list of updates over here, most especially those apps that are actually built in. So in the case of this Android system web view, you want to go ahead and click on it, just like so, and then you want to go ahead and click on updates to update this app on your smart TV. And once it is done updating, you want to go back to the previous option and then go ahead and update all of the apps that are actually in the list of updates on your smart TV. What you just want to do is to go ahead and click on update all from here, and automatically all of the apps will start updating themselves on your smart TV. And after all of the apps must have been updated, you can now try casting your device again to the smart TV, and trust me, this time it is going to work perfectly well without any issue. That is basically all on how to fix screen mirroring or screencasting issue on your smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.